In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a box in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Whether you're marking up a document or simply trying to make certain sections stand out, adding a box can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and make this process as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once it's up and running, locate the PDF that you want to work with. You can open a file by either dragging it into the application or navigating through the menu by clicking on File and then Open. This step ensures the document is ready for editing. Now that you have your PDF open, your next step is to locate the drawing tools. At the top of your screen, you'll find a toolbar. From this toolbar, look for the Draw Freehand tool. This tool allows you to create various shapes or annotations. Once you've found it, click on it, and a new series of options should appear. Select the rectangle tool from these options. This tool is specifically designed to help you create perfect boxes on your document. With the rectangle tool selected, you're ready to begin drawing on your PDF. Click on the area where you'd like to place the box. By holding down your mouse and dragging it across the desired section, you can adjust the size and shape of the box to suit your needs. Release the mouse button once you're happy with the dimensions, and your box will appear on the document. After drawing your box, you might want to customize it so that it complements the content of your PDF. Acrobat Pro DC allows you to tailor the appearance of your box by adjusting its color and line thickness. Head over to the toolbar again and look for options dedicated to shape customization. Here you can choose a color that contrasts with your document, ensuring it stands out. Additionally, you can increase or decrease the line thickness to make your box more subtle or prominent, depending on your preference. And there you have it. Drawing a box on a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is that simple. Remember, with these basic tools and a bit of creativity, you can enhance your document significantly. Whether you're an educator preparing notes or a professional highlighting important data, this functionality can be a great asset. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.